making video to replace high voltage cable for peugeot expert. It got damaged in accident, and there's no video I was looking for, and I struggle a lot. I try to take the wire out. It's very long. When you look at it, it's long. It comes from here, starts from here, and goes like this. I already took this out. It goes in there. Then that part, there's hardly any room to take that part out. It's end up. Bring it over there. So battery pack is over there. It's connected to there, and it's from the front bonnet. It come to here, and that L-shaped plastic track. There's no room to take it out or bring it in. So I did try everything, but in the end, what I did, I lowered down the battery. To lower down the battery, either you can use jacks. I use scissor jack, one on this side, one on the other side, but to make secure, so battery is very heavy. So I bought these threaded 1 meter rod from Screwfix, M10, and put these to make it secure. 1, 2, 3, 3 on the other side, and lower the battery so to have some room, so I can bring the wire, take the wire out from there, push. Even that, after bringing this battery this much lower, I still struggle a lot, because then motor coming in the way, subframe coming in the way. But at least you can take, as long as you are bringing there's no other way. You have to bring the battery pack down, lower, and then it's possible. Otherwise it's very difficult to put on. So this is the socket for the battery pack, which is underneath the van, under the van. So it's going through here. That's where I was having difficulty to bring it out. This is going right. I have to take it, push it slowly, then go inside, pull it from that side. I have to try a few times, inside, outside, inside, outside, and then I have to take that socket to the
bottom
underneath where the battery pack is, and that track will end up in here, and this will goes there. So mainly I'm showing how to take it out. So that's how. So without bringing the battery pack down, it's impossible to change the high voltage cable. To replace high voltage cable for peugeot expert, you need to unplug the battery, then take the bumper off, take the slam panel off, open this screw. There's another screw over here, then one in the middle of there underneath, and take this cover off. These five screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, and one over there, and then disconnect the cable, that one. And because there's no space to move this wire, take this out, you need to lower down. I will explain this in the later on in the video. I already done this, I replaced already. So just you have to watch the whole video, and if you want to replace the battery pack for Peugeot Expert, or you want to replace the high voltage cable, this will help you. Thank you. Put this wire from the front bonnet, bring it down. You can see this angle, yeah, from there to that angle. That's plastic track is problem, so that's why it's become difficult to take it out or in. So battery is lower now, so I push this through the bonnet behind the motor, because it's electric motor, yeah, behind the motor, and then because of this angle it's quite big and twisted, so you have to do it few times, go underneath, up down, and then eventually I managed to bring it, and now it's secured. One nut here, it's secure over there, and it's secure over in the middle. One nut over there. So that's the socket it's gonna go in. Now I have to, once I finish this, it's finished now. I'm gonna take this up. The battery pack goes up. Once it goes up, everything is back. So just now only I need to do battery pack, lift it up. To lift it up easily, because if I do with the spanner it's going to take too long. I'm just going to lift with those scissor jack, lift and change these nut, put original nut back in here. 1, 2 and 2 on the back, 4 nut each side. So the idea was, if you are doing in the garage, then they have big platform jack which they bring the battery down. In my case it's in my drive, so I have to do, I work out way, like DIY, bring these threaded rod from M10 and M10 nut from the screw fix or tool station. They are same thread. Usually the thread is not same with the thread in the car nuts, but this particular one is okay, it's same. So it's done the job, so it's complete. All I have to do is plug in there and plug that another wire from there, and that's it, it's done.
Awesome.